Hi everyone, welcome back to the Hearing Clinic. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we are going to take a deep dive into the brand new WIDEX Allure hearing aid. I've spent quite some time exploring these devices and I'm going to share with you what I've learned about this brand new hearing aid from WIDEX. So whether you're an audiologist or a hearing aid user or just curious about the new technology, stick around. There's plenty of valuable information coming up. So a couple of weeks ago, I was very excited to be invited along to the exclusive WIDEX Allure launch at WIDEX HQ in Denmark. It's been a while since WIDEX has launched a new hearing aid chip, so I was very excited to learn more and to see how these instruments sounded and how they performed. Right, so let's start with the WIDEX philosophy. First, we must think about WIDEX as their philosophy in delivering a natural listening experience. And this has been core to WIDEX, and this philosophy drives every decision they make. They prioritize capturing sound in a way that feels authentic, and this dedication to natural sound fidelity is why professionals in the music industry and sound enthusiasts often prefer WIDEX products over other hearing aid manufacturers. And the Allure is designed with this philosophy at its core, providing an immersive auditory experience without that synthetic or robotic quality that some hearing aids can have. Right, so first of all, we're going to discuss the new W1 processing chip. And we're going to dig into one of the most significant upgrades that WIDEX has made. And this chip is a powerhouse. It boasts 4 times the processing speed of the previous generation. So what does this mean for you? Well, it enables a much faster response time to sound, which translates into a more immediate and more realistic listening experience. This means that the amplified sound reaches the eardrum at almost exactly the same time as the sound coming through the ear canal. The new chip also has increased memory capacity, and this allows for more sophisticated algorithms to run simultaneously, and this allows the hearing aid user to make use of multiple features which address many listening needs all simultaneously and seamlessly. So next we're going to talk about the Pure Sound program. The Pure Sound program is not just a simple upgrade, it's a whole new approach to processing sound. With the Allure, WIDEX has harnessed advanced technology that ensures that there's zero processing delay when sounds fed into the hearing aid are processed. And in essence, you're reacting to sounds in real time. And this is essential for engaging in conversations and also maintaining awareness of your environment. The WIDEX research has shown that this new iteration results in an impressive 4.3 dB improvement in speech clarity, especially in those noisier environments. And this is a game changer for users who often find themselves in challenging listening situations by providing them with the ability to engage and listen to the conversation without straining to hear or being too bothered by the intrusiveness of background noise. So the next thing we're going to talk about is the Speech Enhancer Pro. This is an additional program on the hearing aid, and I had a listen to this, and it really does improve speech clarity in high levels of background noise. So WIDEX understands that users sometimes do seek out hearing aids that will then move to navigate well in crowded spaces or noisy environments. And WIDEX has developed this tool to identify enhanced speech signals and keeping discomfort from background noise to a minimum. And what's really key about this feature is that it's designed to work without compromising the natural sound quality that WIDEX is known for. So by skillfully balancing speech enhancement and noise reduction, the Speech Enhancer Pro mode allows the user to participate in conversations fully without being overwhelmed by ambient noise. And this is a great change because sometimes noise reduction features can introduce a little bit of distortion to the speech. Okay, next we are going to be talking about the brand new feedback management system. And this is an impressive improvement for WIDEX. It is called the Dynamic Feedback Controller, and it's an intelligent system which adapts by using frequency shifting based on the specific frequency of that feedback. So instead of applying a blanket frequency shift to all sounds, rather it intelligently analyzes the feedback and applies a more discrete frequency shift to control for that feedback. This results in less distortion, maintaining that clear sound while simultaneously controlling for the whistling or feedback. So it's a subtle yet significant improvement that enhances the user's listening experience, allowing for greater comfort and enjoyment. Okay, so this is now where we get to the enhanced sound classification system. So because there's more memory on the chip, there's improvements now in this enhanced sound classification system. The WIDEX Allure can now automatically classify sounds into an impressive 11 different categories. This capacity is essential for users who want a hassle-free experience, so they want to just pop the hearing aids in, and as they move between quiet and noisy environments, the hearing aids automatically adjust without the need for finding the app, changing programs, or finding the buttons on the hearing aids to change programs. So it allows the seamless transition between environments, ensuring that each listening experience is optimized for speech clarity and comfort from background noise. And finally, we're going to talk about the AI. So WIDEX have introduced AI into their hearing aids in quite a unique way. The AI is actually sitting on the Allure app. And this is quite an innovative application of AI because it allows the user to fine-tune the settings of their hearing aids based on real-world feedback and experiences from thousands of wearers around the globe. So the wearer will no longer be stuck with 4 programs or 5 programs. They can access the AI on the app. The app will then scan the environment and provide personalized and tailored fine-tuning for that person in that given moment. So we have now received our demo hearing aids from WIDEX. At the hearing clinic, we do a 2-stage process before introducing new hearing aids to our patients. The first step is where we take the hearing aids and all the audiologists do a listening check live in a noisy environment. And what we listen for is how well speech is preserved, how clear speech sounds above background noise, and how well the hearing aids are reducing and handling the intrusiveness of background noise. We also take a listen to things like circuit noise and microphone noise. Once we've done our listening checks, we then come back to clinic. We then carry out probe microphone measurements. This allows us to place microphones into the ear canals and do some live recordings to see how they perform using an objective measure. So once we've carried out our listening check and in-clinic real ear measurements, we will then bring this hearing aid for our patients to come and test drive. So stay tuned and we'll give you an update shortly about our listening checks and in-clinic probe microphone measurements.